Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your 7-Eleven app. All you have to do in the first, you just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here into your phone apps, click on it. You come to apps list and here you're looking for 7-Eleven app. Just click on it here or just click on search. Then here at 7-Eleven it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. Then you come to this list, click on first stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. So then you just go to your Play Store, click here on your Play Store. You search here for 7-Eleven app, it's going to show for you like this. You will find update here, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.